Amandla PDP NPP Dare Zunde our co-principals, our deputy presidents, national chairpersons, general secretaries here present, senior management members, national executives, the leadership from the provinces here present, invited guests, Salibonani. I have a special and a historic responsibility to perform this afternoon. That responsibility involves making five what do you call them? Pronouncements. Just 5 of them. Number 1. Today, this special day, a baby is born. Special announcement to you. The baby is called People's Rainbow Coalition. Special announcement, duty free, a baby is born, PRC. This occasion is not to sign. I want to say this to the journalists, we are not signing today. We are not launching today. This is a baby shower. It's not yet. We will be launching a grand launch, a special launch of the PRC, not to the leadership, but to the people of Zimbabwe. So this is a pre-signing ceremony of the PRC. PRC is an organization, is a coalition that consists of 4 organizations: NPP, PDP, Zunde and Dare. We are not closing, the gates are not closed. Our doors are not closed. They are open. These are the founding members of PRC. PRC says to us, says to Zimbabweans, NPP is coming under the umbrella. Dare is coming under the umbrella. Zunde is coming under the umbrella. So is PDP. You are bringing in your party's identities. You are not going to lose your party. You are not swallowed. You remain as your party. Just like the NASA in Kenya, where peoples of common objectives and common destiny came together, not under a particular party, but under a common objective. That's what we are doing. Number 2, special announcement, duty free. This coalition has a special symbol. Special symbol. The symbol of a train. A moving train. A train that is able to carry our coal, to carry our iron, to carry our mineral resources, to carry our people regardless of their languages, regardless of their colors, regardless of their regions, regardless of their tribe. All Zimbabweans are signified by this moving train. So we are not using any figure, any symbol or any logo of a particular party, but that symbol which signifies going ahead and building our economy, the train. Let's go out to all Zimbabweans and tell them about the freedom train. The freedom train has arrived. We are launching it in 2 weeks' time. Not today. Today is a baby shower. Announcement number 3, duty free. The 210 seats, 210 constituencies that we have in the country are all vacant. No parcelation of seats. We are not giving friends. We are not giving relatives. No. For you to be our candidate, the candidate of PRC, you must be a popularly elected candidate. Akukolokana ukuthi umuntu yakhipha amasitha esikhwameni, dishing out, distributing. Who are you? So, announcement number 3, the 210 seats are vacant under PRC. We shall have consensus. Where there is no consensus, primary election. Primary election. All the candidates that shall be identified shall not be a candidate for PDP, for DARE, for NPP, for Zunde. No. They shall be candidates of the Rainbow Coalition. Duty-free information. Rainbow, I must have explained. Rainbow is beautiful, guys. Folks, rainbow is beautiful. Again, it symbolizes, it has got all the colors of the rainbow, harmonic colors of the rainbow. So our rainbow signifies the totality of our peoples and their talents in this country. Now in English, they say the beauty of a garden lies in the multiplicity of the colors of its flowers. If you have a garden with just white or just red or just blue, it's not good enough. But if your garden has got all the colors, that's our rainbow. From here, the catch word, the buzzword shall be Rainbow Coalition. Now, the last one. Very important one. Very important one. Duty free. I am lucky. I'm a lucky man because I'm going to make this announcement. After making this announcement, I am expecting that everybody is going to stand up because I'm making a special announcement. Very special announcement. This man standing in front of you, who is the son of Samuel Mazwemzin Moyo and his late wife Margaret Sidlaliso Nuve, he has been given a historic responsibility to introduce the next president of the Republic of Zimbabwe.
ndakuchinja mutemo saka yodura tasvika yongo manyangwe huku dzamaundura ndakuchinja mutemo saka yodura tasvika yongo manyangwe huku dzamaundura emawera svika kutonga kwa